The god of greed has decided to create a game here on Earth, and he has chosen me as its arbiter. I, Louis, the Yellow King, will sample many games so I can gather inspiration and muses. Soon the game of greed will be upon us, and may God help us all.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to be watching the King's Game. This seems like an interesting anime. Out of a lot of reviews and a lot of reading, this seems to be a good one. Fingers crossed. It's always a mixed bag when it comes to anime. So this is the King's Game. We're gonna watch it together. Episode 1. Spooky.
Where am I? What is this place?
What is this place? Almost looks like Berserk. Pools of blood everywhere. This is the king. Hold on. We gotta pause that for a second. I can't read that fucking fast. This is the King's Game. All members of your class will participate. The King's orders are absolute. You have 24 hours to carry them out. Withdrawal from the game midway is not allowed. Once you start, bitches, you better end this. Oh no, hold on, let's go back. What the fuck, though? How do they expect you to read that shit? Even if you know Japanese. Okay. Seat number 12, Kanazawa Nobuaki will be punished by drowning. Will be punished. Dear God, I'm illiterate. Let's try that one more time. Seat number 12, Kanazawa Nobuaki will be punished by drowning to death for disobeying the king's orders. You little cunts disobey me.
Nobuaki! I want to live
Titties.
with you. Stay with me forever.
As long as you're naked. Oh. Titties. Save those titties, baby. Oh, what the fuck? Honda? Oh, shit. Ooh, fuck. Alright. King's Game, baby. Kuri Academy support today.
Get set!
Bang, baby.
The first group of relay runners is off to a strong start. Class 4 leads, followed by Class 1. And just like that, batons have been passed off to the second group.
She's got a pole. Oh.
Uh-oh, Class 1's runner has taken quite a tumble.
We are so screwed.
I'm sorry, Nobuaki!
Nobuaki!
Come
Run!
on, you can do it!
Hot dog.
Go nuts, go!
I've got this!
She's fast.
She's not.
Whoa! Class 1's ace
Never
bolts
mind.
past Class 4's runner to grab the lead!
Yeah, take him down,
Fucking
Natsuko!
Flash
You're
over
doing
here.
amazing! Almost there!
Not gonna let that bitch win. Tripper. Oh, her titties won her the victory.
We have a winner! Class 1
Never
takes
mind.
first place in the
I apologize. I am very
relay!
perverted. Woo! Woo! Yippee!
Now we have more points than Class 4! Yeah, if we keep it up, we might actually win this thing! Time for a group photo!
So gay. It's a cool picture.
Please welcome Kanazawa, our new transfer student.
It's a pleasure to meet you all.
Your seat's in the last row, next to the window.
Welcome to the back. My name's Honda Natsuko. Nice to meet you.
Honda?
Man, she's like very flirty,
Yep. So where'd you transfer in from?
talkative.
Also, can I call you Nobu?
No. I don't fucking know you.
Hey, look, Nobu. What do you think? Is this a total masterpiece or what? It's our teacher.
Oh, he's depressed. Jeez. What? A crybaby. My God.
So how come you moved out here to the boonies?
Were there
What the
hot
fuck
girls
was
at your
that?
school? Hey, please tell me you like soccer.
So, Kanazawa, were you in any clubs or anything?
Will everyone please just leave me alone?
Hey, come on, man. Let's all be friends.
No!
I like it.
I told you all to leave me alone! Hang on! Where the heck are you going?
Just let him go. You guys really can't take a hint.
I'm not gonna remember any of those names.
Hi there, Nobu. I skipped class
Titties
too.
again.
So what's up?
This is how you know it's like a fantasy anime bullshit. If you're rude and antisocial, pretty gorgeous women don't just approach you to try and make you feel better. I missed what happened there entirely.
Hi, Nobu. How
Again.
about you and me be partners in the inter-class relay?
Yeah, thanks, but no thanks.
You just don't get it, do you? As far as we're concerned, this sports festival is like a big welcome party for you. As the star
No,
of
it's
the
not.
day, you gotta get out there and shine.
If you're gonna be one of our runners, I can cut your hair for you.
I guess he is a little shaggy, huh?
Same goes for you, kid.
By the way, I'm our team's ace.
Yeah, Natsuko here is insanely fast.
No matter what place we're in, when I get that baton, we are totally taking home the gold!
I can't.
You'll be great, Nobu, I'm sure of it. Come on. You know what I like about Natsuko? She's always so happy.
Sure, but do you think that's real? She might be covering up the fact that her parents were killed.
Yeah, I heard about that. A plane crash, right?
But rumor is the whole thing was a murder-suicide.
Either way, it's so sad.
What?
What? Is that true?
Nobu, we're all hoping that you'll get more comfortable with our class.
Losing people close to you is like losing a piece of yourself. I can't even make friends anymore. So how
I
come
feel you,
she's
buddy.
able to keep on smiling?
There's pain behind that smile. It's not all happiness and
It's
sunshine,
been a
believe
long
me.
time, but I'm actually having fun again. Everyone seems to be grinning and laughing constantly. Things feel like they used to. I'm starting to feel at home.
Wonder what happened to him. Someone stuck a dildo up his ass and he got traumatized for life. Oh shit. These are the fuckers that are gonna die. Oh, hold on. Seat number 7. Kanazawa Nobuaki. That's our protagonist. And Honda's the chick with the big tits. To kiss! Oh, snap! Nobuaki's gonna kiss big titties.
No matter how much I hope and pray, I can't escape. But I already knew that. I don't have any choice.
Hold on, this is like Death Note now. Number 1, participation is mandatory for all members of the class. Number 2, you have 24 hours to carry out the orders written in the text sent by the king. Where's 3 and 4? Oh, pardon me. My French is very rude. If you do not obey the orders, you will be punished. You cannot drop out of the king's game part way.
Hey! Nobuaki! There he is!
Fucking Nobuaki.
You must have gotten the same text as the
Oh,
rest of
shit.
us, right? Or wait, did you send it because you've got a thing for Natsuko? It wasn't me.
He wants them
Last
titties.
time, and so are the class's reactions.
Told you. The guy's pissed because he's been put in the spotlight.
Oh, come on. It sounds like an interesting game. If you don't kiss, you get punished. But, like, by who, huh?
This is so dumb. Natsuko, you know you don't have to kiss this boy.
Well,
It would be cool if this happened in real life, though.
Just once.
Be scary as shit, but it would be fucking trippy. Oh, did she say yes or no?
I need you to listen to me. The King's game is very, very real. We're gonna start getting a bunch of orders. Even if you try to run, you can't escape it. But please, no one freak out yet. If you all will just trust me, we can confront this thing together.
This fucker's been through this shit before.
Damn, Kanazawa. Didn't know you had such a weird sense of humor. I'm not joking.
That's kind of creepy. Just come out with it. You want to kiss Natsuko, don't you?
No!
Yeah.
The game is real! You only get 24 hours, and if you don't do it, you're told, you're punished! You could even die! You've gotta believe me!
Full of shit. Full of shit,
That?
Nobuaki.
None of us are laughing anymore. If I were you, I'd go back to being quiet.
Ooh,
You guys...
shit got
What a
serious.
freak. And we try to be so
fuck.
nice.
What was that all about?
Everybody, you should be in your seats.
Don't be such a troll. Got it?
Nobody will believe me if I try to explain it without any proof. I don't blame them. We didn't really believe it until people started dying. We thought it was a joke.
Oh, there you are. That was a pretty dumb way of telling her you like her. But if you really have a thing for Natsuko, then I can give you some help. Just don't make me regret it. Because the thing is, I happen to know that she's interested in you too. So here's the deal. I'm gonna give you her phone number so you can call her.
Can you please get out of here?
Huh?
I'm sorry. I was being weird earlier.
What's with you? Is that how you
trying to help you out,
someone who's
dog.
trying to do you a favor?
Please just leave
Exactly.
me alone.
You are such a pain.
God. He's coming out as creepy times 8 million.
And I'm gonna die. But I don't want to drag Natsuko down with me. There's really no hope for either of us anyway.
That's why he was crying in the
If we're all gonna
classroom.
die, it might be better to go first. It's almost been 24 hours. Guess that's the end. For us both.
Wow, the stars are gorgeous tonight. But you'll miss them if you keep your head down.
This is weird.
I've been looking everywhere.
I'm so glad I found you. Amy said you were acting kind of strange when she talked to you today. Are you worried about what happened in class? Or is it something else? Did I do something wrong?
Wow.
Please just go.
But we've barely talked. And what about the king's orders? You said it was real, so shouldn't we think about what—
I can't kiss you!
Sorry.
Is it because you've got your eye on someone else?
Yeah. There's a girl who I will never forget.
What a simp. Getting in that gush.
Was it a bad breakup? How'd it go down?
They probably
I might help you
forced
talk
them to
about
fuck
it.
on the game or something.
I guess we're long distance now. She's gone far away.
She did.
This might sound kind of weird, but have you ever thought about what heaven is like?
Actually, I don't believe that heaven is real. What matters the most is the here and now. The actions we perform while we're still alive.
Hey!
This bitch is crazy.
What are you doing?
It's cool, I'm totally fine. Thanks for the catch.
Oh.
A text from the king. 60 seconds remaining.
No, please get away from me!
Listen, I don't know what happened with that girl or anything, but maybe I can help you work your way through it.
Trust me, there's nothing you can do to help.
You're lying. Otherwise, you wouldn't be crying. From day one, I liked you. I'd really love it if you went out with me. Our time is almost over now, so would it be okay if I kissed you?
No!
You're seriously saying no?
I am.
Your girlfriend is really lucky. I'm jealous.
I mean,
Must be
is he
him.
trying to kill her on purpose?
Means it's time for a punishment. Her lips are so cold.
There's something weird about this.
I'm not the type who gives up easily.
What?
Consider
I don't
that
buy
as a
it.
challenge for your long-distance girlfriend.
She's full of shit. I don't buy
She's
this.
so happy and kind.
Nah.
The whole class loves her.
Nah, that's an act, bro.
Single thing wrong.
You're falling for that shit like a simp.
I'm so sorry about this.
It's okay, but your words and actions don't match up at all. What's with you?
They sure don't. Motherfucker's traumatized,
Starting
dude.
to happen to you?
Well, my heart's definitely pounding hard.
Why am I getting so many texts right now? The punishment should have already started. I screwed up. I assumed the text from me was the punishment message. We must have kissed before midnight. So
Oh.
that means the other texts.
What? Wait, hold on.
So that means the other texts.
Okay, see number 6 that we'll lick Muruzamu's Amy's foot. Alright, so my dude over here on the left has to lick this bitch's foot on the right. Alright. Furusawa Tsubasa and Momoki Haruka will touch Momoki Haruka's chest. Alright, he's gonna cop a feel. Way to go, Furusawa. Let's see here. Oh! Damn. Straight up fucking, huh? Nagata and Turua. Fucking goddamn Japanese, bro. Nagata! Turuaki! And Honda. I know Honda for sure, bro. That's... Well, isn't Honda a big titty girl? Oh! So she just gave a kiss to her dude. Not just to fuck some other guy? Did these texts just come in right now? And then this guy, give out an order of your choice. What does that mean? He's gonna go to McDonald's? This bitch has to lose something important to her. It's gonna suck. Text die to 2 classmates. This is probably the easiest one. No one in class is to do nothing unnecessary. No one in class is to get deep rest? What does that mean?
Deep rest? So does that mean... Natsuko, you have to call every classmate you can and tell them not to go to sleep!
Why? What's going on?
Just hurry up and do it!
Whoa. Oh, 'cause he fell asleep. Oh,
damn
shit.
It! It's happening. The 2 of them must have been asleep already.
Nobu, what's wrong?
Natsuko, which of our classmates lives closest to where we are?
I think Furusawa Tsubasa is around here. He lives at the Block 4 intersection.
Alright then. I'm heading to Tsubasa's house. Remember, call every classmate you can, tell them they have to stay awake no matter what, and have everyone meet up somewhere together.
Nobu, you're scaring me. I don't understand what...
Please help. Right now you're the only person I can count on.
Nobu!
That bitch's white legs.
Come on, please! You gotta open the door right now!
What do you want?
What?
You get your ass back here now! I've got you! Hunt! Call the police!
Damn it! Let's go! Tsubasa!
Oh snap, he's about to hang himself.
Tsubasa, water. What's happening?
Quick, somebody call an ambulance! Now, or he's not gonna make it!
Oh. Dude.
No! Tsubasa!
Oh fuck. Oh damn, dude. Oh shit, dude. The whole class is gone at this point. Fuck, like half of them
All
are
those
gone.
kids are dead.
I'm tired. Yeah, me so late.
Who all are we missing?
Couple of people.
Hey, I need everyone to stay calm and listen to me closely.
God, what the hell's been up with you the last few days? First the kiss and now these hangings. It's not funny.
No, it's true.
Explain something to me. Why won't the guy who's joking about our classmates dying answer his damn phone?
I have bad news. When I was on my way over here, I stopped by Nanami's house, and I found her dead. She was hanging in her room.
Jesus.
You're wrong. It's not a person that's doing this.
How long are you gonna keep saying this crap, you idiot? Our friends are dying!
All I'm doing is telling the truth.
And how do you know all this?
Because this is not the first time that my class has played the King's game.
Okay, so explain it to us. What happened the last time you played the King's game?
It's your fault! Yeah, what did you get us all into? Start talking! Tell us everything you know!
My classmates died. Only I survived. This is not the kind of thing that I would joke about. We didn't believe this nightmare was real at first either, but then it started, and we couldn't stop it. One by one, my friends all died.
So, if we disobey the King's orders, we're dead too? But Natsuko said that you refused to kiss her! You
Yeah, they made out.
The punishments!
I did.
Oh, true, yeah.
Then when you turned her down, you basically tried to kill her!
Exactly.
I don't really care if you have a death wish, but you were going to get her killed along with you! Don't you dare take his side. If it's true, I'll never forgive this creep!
That's right.
It's true. Murasumi's right about me.
You're disgusting!
What a piece of shit!
I'm so sorry!
Shut your mouth! Screw this King's game!
Oh!
You and whoever else is behind this can both go straight to hell!
Stop it! We have to stay calm!
Natsuko, you realize this guy almost got you murdered, right?
I don't think that...
Hey, who here thinks he's the one sending all these creepy texts?
It's gotta be him.
I'll bet he's the one killing people.
Wait! I don't...
Shut up!
No, let me go! I'm just trying to help everyone! Please stop!
We've heard just about everything we need to from you, you bastard! You're nothing but a damn murderer!
Hey, look at this.
Huh?
Yuichi says you got a punishment.
Oh, hold up. What's up? Hold on.
Bastard! You're nothing but a damn murderer!
Hey, look at this.
Huh?
Yuichi says you got a punishment.
Okay, will be punished by bleeding to death for disobeying the king's orders. What did he do? How did he break the rules? By trying to kill somebody? Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. What the fuck?
What the hell?
What you do to me?
Nothing! It wasn't me!
Yeah. What?
Help me.
That is disgusting. He shits himself right there.
There's no stopping it. A new King's game has begun.
Fucking Yu-Gi-Oh, bro. Let the games begin. Shit. That was fun, yeah. Alright, his anime is pretty crazy so far. I think that bitch is lying. There's something about that chick I don't trust. Alright, well. Seems like a cool anime. We'll continue with part 2 of The King's Game.